Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TD125 PS 270 Trend front-wheel drive L1 timing chain oil pump. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 197663. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a rattle. Timing chain is stretched. Oil pressure light is on, TBE the engine itself. Sounds good. Should be a straightforward oil pump and timing chain replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0